Okay, so today we're in this little park. I'm with my son that I'm often with. He's autistic, so he's not going to be the focus. This is focusing on the park, but you might hear this little toy that we got. He got some bubbles, so he's like kind of this repetitive sound, but he likes that a lot. So, but he's kind of following me. He's with me anyways. We hang out quite a bit, and we're going to show you this whole little park. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Say hello. All right, so let's go check out the park. Hey, welcome to Macau. We're documenting the streets and seeing what it all looks like in 2023 for you. Okay, where did he go? I think he's this little girl that's trying to say hi to him. Say hi, Tyler. She's saying hi, go say hi. There you go. Okay, so let's check out this park. You get all kinds of cool stuff like this. I kind of want to show you some other stuff over here too. We kind of follow him, but there's actually this over here too. And actually there's some people in some period suits. But this is kind of cool too, the bamboo. You got that thing? So let's go over here. And we're just going to walk around and just kind of show. I have filmed in here other times, and there are actually some anime people over here, so I kind of want to see them. Come here. I have to stop and get them real quick. Come here, come here. Hey, 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 hey. Follow me, okay? Follow me. So we're gonna. A lot of times he's really distracted because he has that bubbles, but I kind of want to check this out and see. This is kind of cool. That's really. You can see. Oh, they don't want to be filmed, so. So I'm not going to film them since they don't want to be filmed. But this is actually kind of a little spot here where they have like, sometimes they have like anime kind of stuff, so they'll do kind of anime things, but I don't want to film them, so we're just going to kind of walk around and kind of show what's all around here. But I do see stuff like that anyway. It's like little anime, and sometimes they do like period pieces. I have some good film footage of that. And actually I'm going to put that in the back of the film, so if you want to see that, just go to the back and you can see it. But they had some like a bunch of people that were doing like kind of like feudal China stuff that you'd see in some of the movies and such. Really beautiful, really cool, great costumes. So yeah, a lot of times when I do the videos I put that in the back, and I'll put that in the back as well so you can see it. And today what I'm going to do is just kind of walk around. Hey, Tyler, you have to put the rock down, okay? So yeah, we can't throw any rocks in here, okay? Promise? So here we can't throw the rocks in because this is kind of a sacred place, okay? You got me? Here, come here. Say hello, say hi. Hi. Okay, so let's walk around. But a lot of times he throws rocks into the water, so actually, Tyler, we're gonna come back this way. We can't go through that. There's no through way. It's just a little thing. I was looking to see it, but sorry, I'm gonna get a little distracted today. So I'm with my autistic son, and so a lot of times I'd keep him in the background. But today I bought him a toy. The toy makes kind of noises that you're gonna hear quite a bit, but he really likes it a lot. So it's just gonna be part of the video today. It is what it is. And there's a Year of the Rabbit. He's going to be trying to grab rocks, so I have to be really careful to watch him today. I know what you're doing. What are you doing? Looking for rocks? Right. Yeah, but we can't have any rocks in here, okay? We can't throw them in here. This pond is not a good pond for that because this is a community. I'm speaking too fast for him, so I'm kind of speaking for the camera a little bit, but usually if I just told him, I'd just say like no. Anyways, we just came to another spot, and I think we're gonna just walk back out again. But yeah, in the thumbnails at the very end, I'll put all the videos from previous ones, and I'll put the last time I was here, and I'll also put the one where there's several what do you call those? period pieces that back there where the anime was at. But I think today I'll be a little bit sidetracked because I'm watching my boy today. And actually I often do, but a lot of times I have him where he stays behind me. But because he has the bubbles, it's like a lot of excitement for him. So he's going to be kind of preoccupied. But anyways, we're going to just kind of show you. So we're going to just kind of show what we can see. And over here we have these kind of beautiful pieces, and we're just going to walk around here and then all the way through it. I feel like today I'm going to be a little bit disruptive. I think people usually come here for peace. And my apologies for that. So all my videos are a little bit different, but today is going to be a video filming this park with an autistic. I guess I have to put that in the thumbnail because a lot of people come here and take photographs too, so it's kind of late too. There we go. Just kind of came around here real quick, and we're just going to keep on going. We'll say hello, check in with the boy in a second too, because I think he's going to be part of this video. So we'll check in with him, see how he's doing. I think we'll get a shot with him right here. We got that beautiful background, right? Come over here. Come over here. You look this way. Turn this way. All right. Go like that. All right. Give me 5. All right. So where are we gonna go next? Yeah, let's do it then. So we're gonna go through this kind of spot. Yeah, and actually there's some really beautiful photogenic shots everywhere in here. Let me see how to get through here. I think here we have to go back. Like a little bit of a labyrinth. There he is. So yeah, that's cool stuff here too. Actually, the thing is you could go pretty much any direction. And I think it was there's a historical reason that this exists. Okay, it's a pretty peaceful place. So we're just gonna, the battery keeps dying, so I keeps going out of me, but so it's kind of a nice park, right, buddy? You like it? Yeah, you got your bubbles. So where should we go next? Okay, so you want to go out? And you're looking for chocolate, right? Is that what you're looking for? What kind of chocolate? M&Ms? Okay, so maybe we can head on out then. Let's go this way. So we're kind of in this nice peaceful place, and if you're traveling with an autistic kid, they're all different. So they all have their own little quirks, their own little things. And so I think I read a book once and it said, if you've met one autistic kid, you've met one autistic kid, which means that each one is so individual and so different. He's basically nonverbal, but he can communicate usually with, like, you know, simple nouns usually, or one verb. He'll do like I want, so usually I want, and then he'll say the noun, I want chocolate, I want this. So he's been asking for chocolate. He's been leading me for a while in a couple videos, 2 videos already. So basically what he's looking for is chocolate. So we're going to take him to get some chocolate. I don't even eat chocolate. I don't know where he got the habit, but nonetheless, it is what it is. And this is the beautiful park, and he's pretty excited because he's gonna get what he wants. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, it's very sweet. Very, very sweet. Again? Again? Alright. So what do you want to get? Oh, I see. Now you're telling me. Before you were just leading me, you didn't even tell me. But now it's like very obvious you're just trying to get to a 7-Eleven and get some chocolate, right? Okay. It's a big smile. You're excited for that. Alright, let's do it. Oh no, what happened? So he's just behind me and it said like pow, and it fell on the ground, and it looked like it broke into different pieces, but it looks like he was able to put it together again, so that's good. So I don't know if it'll work or we have to do it later, but I was just thinking, oh no. When he was little, I got lots of stories about that, about he used to drop almost everything all the time, so he was always like playing with stuff all the time, so he always wanted to play with like everything, and they drop on the ground, like food, everything, pacifiers, and they just always like drop on the ground, so he just had to have like all these pacifiers and wash them off. But anyways, he just dropped that, and I was like, wow, that kind of reminds me of that. Anyways, he's leading me to a place to get some chocolate, so we're gonna or actually I'm leading him now because he told me exactly what he wanted. Hey, welcome to Macau. We're documenting the streets and seeing what it all looks like in 2023 for you.